A very good morning, dear children. In our today's class, we are going to revise the topic division of three-digit number by a single-digit number. So we are going to solve some more questions. Everyone take out your notebook. Write there today's date, 14/8/21, chapter name, division, and let's solve our first question. Our first question is divide and check. 261 divided by 9. So here it is three-digit number divided by a single-digit number. So as we have already done, children, you know that 261 is our dividend, which says inside, and 9 is our divisor. Okay. Now let's see that 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. 6 is in tens place. 1 is in ones place. Okay, till here it is done. Now let's divide. We always see the first number, that is 2. Children, 2 is smaller than 9. 2 is smaller than 9. So what we have to do? We have to take two numbers. Okay. When the first digit is smaller, children, we go for two numbers, two digits. So we have taken 26. Now we will divide this 26 by 9. So children, we are looking the table of which number we are looking the table? We are looking the table of 9. Now children, you just assume that does 26 comes in the table of 9? Just think over it. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. So children, but we needed what? We needed 26. Now 26 does not come. So what we will do now? Just think over it. Yes. We will go with the number smaller than 26. We'll go with the number smaller than 26. What is smaller? 18. 18 is smaller, right? So how do we write here, children? We have taken two numbers. So we'll write the quotient in tens place. 9 twos are and 18 will be repaired. The product will be written, children, below 26. Now let's subtract it. We have to regroup this. 6 becomes 16 and 2 becomes 1. 16 minus 8 is what, children? 8. Whereas 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Okay. Now children, next what we will do? Yes, right. Now that this number which is in ones place, the digit which is in ones place, will bring this down. We'll bring this down. So now it becomes what? 81. Now this 81 will be divided by 9. So children, for this you have to see the table of 9 whether 81 comes or not. Just think over it. Yes, it comes. 9 nines are 81. 9 times 9 is your 81. So children, 9 I will write in ones place. 9 nines are 81 will be written below 81. So now you subtract 81 minus 81 is your 0. Hope it is clear to everyone how to divide. Okay, so our remainder is 0, children. Let's see. So now we can write here that for checking the answer, what are the things required, children? That our dividend, our quotient is what? Quotient is the answer, children. Quotient means answer. And the number which is written over dividend, that is your quotient. Then remainder is what? 0. Then divisor is what, children? 9. Right? So let's check the answer, and our dividend is what, children? Dividend is what? 261. Right? So let's check the answer. Let's check whether our division is right or wrong. Let's write the formula right there. Check below the division. Children, you can write down this. Then the formula is what? Quotient, Quotient. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Now let's place the numbers. Our quotient is first, which is our 29. So 29 comes here. Give multiply sign. Then is divisor. So our divisor is what? 9. Plus remainder. Our remainder is what, children? 0. Now children, let's multiply this. 29 into 9. What it is? Just multiply and see. You can use the rough column to multiply. 29 multiplied by 9, children, the product is 261 plus 0. 261 plus 0 is what? 261. Just see. Our dividend is also 261. So it is equal to dividend. So children, our answer is correct. Our division is correct. Okay. So now what we did, children, division of 3-digit number by a single digit number without remainder. We did not get the remainder here. It was 0. Now we will do one question where we will get the remainder. Okay. So let's start. So let's do the second one. 780 divided by 7. So let's place the dividend inside. 780 divided by 7. So children, 7 is in which place? Hundreds place. 8 is in tens place. And 0 is in ones place. So you know that we always start from our left side and 100 comes first. We'll take the first digit, 7, which is equal to our divisor, right? That means it is divisible. 7 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is what, children? When we divide the same number, what do we get? 1, right? That means 7. The opposite of division is what? Multiplication. 7 ones are 7. So how do we write here, children? 7. 1 we will write in hundreds place and 7 will write below the 7. So 7 ones are 7. Now you subtract. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay. Now let's bring the next digit down. That is 8. Now what we are going to do, children? Second point. We are going to divide 8 by 7. 8 divided by 7. So children, 8 is bigger than 7. Does 8 comes in the table of 7? No, right? So what we will see that the number which comes smaller than the number which is less than 8. So let's see. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So children, this 7 is less than 8. So we can go with this multiplication fact. 7 ones are 1 will write in tens place. 7 ones are 7. Now you subtract this. 8 minus 7 is what? 1. Now you bring the other digit down. Just go step by step. 0 will come here. So it becomes what, children? 10, right? Now this is the third one. 10 is divided by 7. So does 10 comes in the table of 7? No. But 10 is bigger. That means it can be divided, children. So we have to see the number which is less than 10. So what it is? 7. So again it will go by 1. 7 ones are 7. Now you subtract 10 minus 7, what you will get? 3, right? 10 minus 7, 3. So we will stop here, children. This is our remainder. As there is no other number that I will bring it down, so we will stop here. This is our remainder. Okay. So children, what did we get the remainder? Remainder is our 3. Then our quotient is 111. Now let's check the answer whether it is correct or not. So let's check. I'm going to write in short, children, as there is less space. So you have to write the complete spelling. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Is equal to dividend. Now our quotient is what, children? Our quotient is 111. So you write here 111. Multiply by divisor. Our divisor is what? 7. This is our divisor. 7. Plus remainder is what, children? 3. So now let's find out the answer. 111 multiplied by 7 is 777. Plus 3. If you do, you will get the sum 780, which is equal to our dividend, which is equal to our dividend, which is equal to our dividend. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? You can note down this, children. So children, I will end the class here. Hope you all have understood, and still if you find any difficulty, you can ask me. That's all for today. Thank you so much.